Herbs for digestive health. Many herbs support the various actions of the digestive system. Lemon balm, chamomile, peppermint, and ginger help to relieve nausea. Burdock, dandelion, milk thistle, red clover, artichoke, and yellow dock aid liver function. Chamomile, slippery elm, aloe, and marshmallow root soothe the GI tract. Digestive enzymes benefit from the addition of papaya and pineapple. Dandelion root, senna, burdock, and psyllium work as laxatives. Herbs that benefit the liver promote the wellness of the entire person. Liver tonic herbs, such as dandelion, are also beneficial for healing disorders of the skin when taken internally. Dandelion, taraxachinly. The little old dandelion is one of my favorite flowers. People who like lawns that look like golf courses, unfortunately, don't care for these beauties and don't know what they're missing. If only they knew how powerful the leaves and roots are for their health. The roots are primarily a digestive tonic, while the leaves aid the urinary system. You can gather your own in pristine locations. Dandelion greens are sometimes sold in grocery stores in the spring. They're some of the most nutrient-dense foods on earth. Dandelions are considered bitters. They tone the digestive tract and help to improve the flow of bile, which aids liver function. Dandelions are rich sources of vitamins A and C. They also contain iron, potassium, and calcium. In addition to helping the liver stay healthy, dandelions are mild laxatives and excellent diuretics. They also stimulate the appetite. The roots may be roasted and used to make a coffee substitution drink, though the medicinal benefits will be less than with the unroasted root. If you want to include dandelion greens in your diet, pick them young, before flowering, or they will taste very bitter. The leaves are prepared as an infusion, while the roots are decocted. Flax, Linum usitatissimum. Flaxseed and flaxseed oil could have been included in almost every chapter of this book. They're very versatile and possess incredible health benefits. Flax seeds are rich in healthy omega fatty acids, although only 15% of plant omega-3 fats are absorbed into the body. Flaxseed oil should never be heated, as the health-promoting properties are destroyed by heat. I include the seeds in baked goods, as the seeds still provide fiber, but for maximum effectiveness, they should be unheated. Flax needs to be ground to release its goodness. Store ground flax in the refrigerator and grind it as needed. Flax is a very safe herb for all ages. Because of its demulcent properties, it should not be taken at the same times as medications. Flaxseed has been scientifically researched and found effective in the treatment of constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, diverticulitis, and gastritis. Studies indicate that flaxseed is beneficial in the treatment of breast cancer, and it has been shown to slow metastatic disease. Flax can decrease the development of atherosclerosis, a hardening of the arteries. Flaxseed can also help reduce high levels of cholesterol and triglycerides, and it's beneficial in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. The therapeutic dosage is 1 tablespoon of flaxseed 3 times daily. You can purchase flax seeds at your local grocery store. Fennel, Furniculum vulgare. Fennel is a lovely garden plant. It has fine-cut, fern-like foliage. It is also a delicious vegetable. The seeds are considered the most active medicinal parts. Fennel is antispasmodic and relieves gas. It's a great herb for children to take, as it has an appealing anise flavor. It can also be used for colicky babies. Anise is recommended to nursing mothers because it may enhance breast milk production. When a mother consumes anise while breastfeeding, the herb's medicinal properties can be passed on to the infant without direct administration. Fennel relieves cramping of the stomach and the intestines and can also calm a cough. Illnesses and remedies. Indigestion can feel like a burning sensation in the stomach, and it can be accompanied by a feeling of fullness, bloating, and gas. The cause of indigestion is overeating, consuming alcohol, or rich foods. Stress can also aggravate indigestion. Fennel seed decoction for indigestion. Here's a tasty fennel seed tea for helping relieve your indigestion. It can be used to relieve colic or increase the flow of breast milk also. Fennel tea is a tasty after-dinner beverage as well. Instructions. To use fennel seed medicinally, make a standard decoction by boiling 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed for 20 minutes in a covered pot. Strain and drink 3 to 4 cups daily. Flax sock to soothe abdominal discomfort. Instructions. Place 1 to 2 cups of flaxseed in a clean sock and heat it in the microwave for a minute or longer. Use it as a hot pack on discomfort areas, but never put it directly on the skin. This allows the heat to slowly enter the skin. The sock retains heat nicely. Save the entire sock, including the herb, in a bag and reuse it whenever anyone needs a hot pack. Try holding a warm pack on top of towels placed on your abdomen or chest. It can be very soothing. To increase relaxation benefits, add a bit of dried hops and lavender to the pack. Of course, hot packs should not be applied to the very young, the very old, or anyone who has any difficulty sensing too much heat. Constipation. Constipation is a common malady that responds very well to herbal remedies. Herbal remedies for constipation are reliable and often better tolerated than their pharmaceutical alternatives. Constipation may be caused by a diet low in fiber, dehydration, or not enough exercise. Drinking water and avoiding foods which are binding, such as banana, dairy products such as milk and cheese, and low-fiber foods are helpful too. Dried fruit mover. Fruit pastes can be great ways to consume herbs for ongoing health conditions. They disguise the bitter taste that some herbs possess. In addition, you can make a sizable batch, as they store well. Fruit pastes are especially good as a method to administer herbs to children. This fruit paste will help relieve constipation. Ingredients: 2.5 cups water, 2 ounces dandelion root, 2 ounces senna herb, 2 pound prunes, 1 pound dried apricots, 1 cup molasses, 1 cup lemon juice. Instructions: place dandelion root and water in a saucepan, bring to a boil. Reduce heat, simmer covered for 20 minutes, remove from heat. Add senna, cover, let sit 20 minutes. Strain out the herbs and compost them. Add the fruit to the saucepan. Simmer for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Add molasses and lemon juice, cool. Start by eating 1 tablespoon daily. Adjust amount higher or lower depending upon consistency and regularity of your bowel movements. You may consume it plain or on whole grain toast, and it freezes well. If you don't have senna, try increasing the dandelion root to 6 ounces. Filler Up Easy Kitchen Weight Loss Aid. High-fiber foods are excellent choices when trying to lose weight, as they are filling. 1 cup of cooked dried beans, split peas, or lentils, or ½ cup raw oats or wheat bran are good sources of fiber. You'll gain muscle-building protein and lose fat by incorporating these foods into your diet. Healthy recipes for digestive health. Super Duper Green Drink. The following is a fabulous vitamin, antioxidant, fiber-packed smoothie to start your day. Change the yogurt and fruit as desired. Good health doesn't get easier than this. Peel the bananas before blending. This is a great way to use up overripe bananas. Ingredients: 6 ounce low-fat Greek yogurt, plain or flavored, 1 cup fresh berries, 1 cup flaxseed oil, 1 cup greens, preferably dandelion or kale, 1/2 bananas, 2 flaxseed, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon fresh local honey. Milk of your choice. Instructions: blend ingredients together using the high-speed setting of a blender. If you want to get extra antioxidant power, add 1 teaspoon cinnamon or culinary spices of your choice. Add milk to adjust the consistency to your liking. Roasted aromatic vegetables. The root vegetables in this recipe are packed with phytonutrients and fiber. To add some variety, consider tossing in some nuts when you add the herbs, or try adding some sea salt or a vinaigrette dressing. You can also sprinkle the vegetables with herbs or cheese, such as blue or parmesan. This one recipe can be varied so much that you can have a different dish every night. Ingredients: baby carrots, fennel bulb cut in 2-inch chunks, red onion cut in 1/8, parsnips cut in 2-inch chunks, rosemary or thyme, fresh or dried, garlic, olive oil, freshly ground black pepper or mixed peppercorns. Instructions: preheat oven to 425 degrees. Chunk vegetables. Toss together with enough olive oil to coat vegetables lightly. Place vegetables on a cookie sheet or broiler pan. During the last 10 minutes of cooking, add garlic, herbs, and pepper. Roast until tender, stirring frequently. Wok vegetables with fennel bulb. Ingredients: 1 pound grass-fed beef sliced in chunks, 3 cloves garlic diced, 1 red sweet onion sliced, 4 ribs celery cut diagonally, 1 fennel bulb diced, 3 carrots cut diagonally, and 1/4 head green cabbage sliced, 1 teaspoon savory, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, preferably Himalayan sea salt, 1/4 cup pineapple juice concentrate, diluted with 1/3 cup water, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: In a large sautepan, cook beef chunks with olive oil, garlic, and onions until almost fully cooked. You may want to add 1/4 to 1/2 cup water to prevent burning. Add the rest of the cut vegetables, salt, savory, and pineapple juice concentrate, diluted with water. Cover and cook over low flame until done, about 10 minutes. Serve with wild or brown basmati rice. Thank you for watching. This concludes our segment on herbal remedies for the digestive system. In the next video, we will explore herbal remedies for the integumentary system. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe, and thank you for your support.